Next point is that the presence of weeds, as we know that the presence of weeds, as we know that from the next statement, the presence of weeds, they are consume a lot of fertilizer, water, sunlight and space in case of the crops. That means crops के लिए जो sufficient quantity of fertilizer nutrients चाहिए, they also consume in that case basically क्या होगा, तो मेरा क्या होगा कि production of the crops less amount में होता है. That means कि production of the crops is reduces. That means फसलों का जो उत्पादन होगा क्या हो जाएगा, वो reduce हो जाएगा. That means उत्पादन, that means क्या होगा, suppose that क्या हो जाएगा, reduce हो जाएगा. तो similar point, the presence of weeds in the fields, the presence of weeds in the field will reduce the crop yields, that means फसलों की पैदावार will be reduced. If in a field maximum amount of unwanted plants are present there, that means कि in that field the production of the crops, that means cultivated crops will be reduced. That means crop yield will be reduced. उससे क्या होगा, मेरा production घट जाएगा. तो some of the common weeds या फिर unwanted plants are some are the examples of common weeds or unwanted plants are. First one is that कि wild oat, general name बोल सकते हैं इसको, that means और local name and that is a scientific name. Wild oat, जोई, grass, जिसको हम लोग जनरल भाषा में grass, in normally as we know that घास. उसके बाद अमरथनस, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं चलई. एंड सेकेंड वन इज दैट chenopodium, that means बथुआ. Chenopodium, that means बथुआ. So these are the examples of unwanted plants or weeds that can be grown with a crops, that can be grown in a cultivated crop. That means they are grow along with a cultivated crops. They are grow along with a cultivated crops. So these are the basics information about the weeds. These are the basic information about the weeds. Second point is that weeding. Or questions may be that what is weeding? That means weeding is a process. Is a process in which the unwanted plants or weeds can be removed from the fields, from the crop fields. The process of removing weeds, that means unwanted plants from a crop fields, is called weeding. Weeding is a process. Simply we can define that weeding is a process in which the unwanted plants removed from the crop fields. That means हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ये प्रोसेस है जिसमें क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी अनवांटेड प्लांट्स है and grow along with crops, all are can be picked out. That means उसको हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, चून के बाहर फेंक रहे हैं. That means उसको रिमूव कर रहे हैं. That means उसको हटा रहे हैं. इस प्रोसेस को बोलेंगे हम लोग वीडिंग. इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलेंगे, वीडिंग. तो व्हाट आर द वेरियस प्रोसेस ऑफ वीडिंग? सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि व्हाट आर द वेरियस प्रोसेस of weeding. What are the various process of weeding? That means कि what are the various process of weeding? That means कि कौन से प्रोसेस है जिसके थ्रू हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि what are the different weeding process? What are the different weeding process in which the unwanted plants can be removed from the field? Unwanted plants can be removed from the field. So we will see कि what are the various process of weeding. Weedicides. So what are the various process? What are the various process or method of weeding? The question is that what are the various process or method of weeding? So we can answer that the various process or method of weeding are first one by the hand. we can remove the unwanted plants from the field by the hand, from the crop field by the hand. First one is that कि removal of weeds by pulling, that means खींचना, that means क्या करेंगे हम लोग, through the hand unwanted plants can be pulled from the crop field, that means through the hand. So we can remove all the unwanted plants from the crop field by the hand. The first process is that the removal of weeds by pulling them out with the hand. Second one is that we can use a खुरपी, this means इसको हम लोग अपनी भाषा में पसनी बोलते हैं, that means खुरपी. So we can remove the unwanted plants or weeds from the field can by the khurpi, that means trowel. This is the second process. And third one is that to destroying the weeds by spraying a special chemical, that means we can remove all the unwanted plants from the fields by using the special types of chemical spray. That means कि after using the chemical spray we can remove all the unwanted plants or weeds from the crop field. So these are the main three methods. That means these are the main three method of removing weeds from a field. That means कि after using these three method, after using the three method, we can clean the crop field or remove the unwanted plants from the field. After that, the production of yields may be increases. So these are the traditional or these are the basics method for removing the weeds from the field. So that means next question is that what is weedicide? That means what are the weedicides? What are the weedicides? So second point is that questions may be that what is weedicides? What is weedicide? The weedicide is a chemical substances. Weedicide is a chemical substances, and that means is a poisonous substances which is used to remove the unwanted plants. We can simply write the answer ki weedicides are the chemical substances. That means ki they are poisonous. Especially they can be used for removing the plants, removing the unwanted plants from the crop field. So we can write that ki the poisonous chemicals which are used to kill the weeds, which is used to kill the weeds or which is used to remove. That means अगर वो डेथ कर जाएगा obviously वो remove हो जाएगा. Kill the weeds in the fields are called weedicide. So simply the poisonous chemicals which are used to kill weeds in the fields are called weedicides. And following are the examples, or this can be also written like that, some of the common weedicides are. So first one is that 2,4-D is the chemical name of the weedicide. MCPA and butachol etc. These are the examples of poisonous chemical weedicides. These are the examples of poisonous chemical weedicides. That means that can be used for removing, that can be used for kill the unwanted plants in a field. This is in a field. So you can write all the points if the question is that what are the weedicide or what are the examples of weedicide. Your question may be that someone is maybe ask you, can you tell me the one example of weedicides? Can you tell me one example of weedicides? So you can tell him out of anyone. मतलब इस तीनों में से किसी को भी आप एज एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. तो सिंपली है, ज़्यादा लॉन्ग आंसर नहीं है, सिंपल सा है. और क्या है, सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, सिंपली आपको समझना. दैट मीन्स कि इजी टू राइट, इजी टू रीड एंड इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस इज द सिंपल थिंग्स. इसलिए हमने क्या किया, इसको सिंपली लिखा है आपको कि द पॉइजनस केमिकल्स विच आर यूज्ड टू किल वीड्स in the fields are called weedicides. That means the following are the examples of weedicides, or questions may be that maybe this sentence can be written as कि some of the common weedicides are. This is the example. Next अब हम लोगों ने क्या किया, फसलों दैट मीन्स उसको क्रॉप्स के बारे में स्टडी कर लिया कि व्हाट आर द क्रॉप्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सीजन, कि व्हाट काइंड्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स कैन बी ग्रोन इन डिफरेंट सीजन। नेक्स्ट हमने पढ़ा दैट मीन्स वी स्टडी अबाउट इरिगेशन कि व्हाट आर द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड और मॉडर्न मेथड ऑफ इरिगेशन। नेक्स्ट हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि हाउ वी कैन रिमूव द वीड्स, व्हाट आर द वीड्स। तो नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट हार्वेस्टिंग। नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट हार्वेस्टिंग। तो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हार्वेस्टिंग। तो हार्वेस्टिंग इज द एटलीस्ट third step, that means कि when the crops completely matured, when the crops completely mature, that means कि जब वो पूरा से पक जाता है, that means कि वो जब अंतिम स्टेज पे जाता है, इन स्टेज पे, that means कि when the crops completely mature, in that case the crops can be harvested through the manual process or machinery, by the machine. तो harvesting, next point is the harvesting. The harvesting is simply, you can write that कि harvesting is a process in which the mature crops can be cut. That means the process, the cutting and gathering, that means कि mature crops can be cut. That means उसको क्या किया जाता है, उसकी कटाई की जाती है। That means and gathering, that means they are collected. That means कि the cutting and gathering of the mature food crop, the collecting or gathering of mature food crops is called harvesting. The harvesting is the process, or agricultural process. Harvesting is the agricultural process in which the mature crops can be cut and collected or gatherings. So you can write that the cutting and gathering of the mature फूड क्रॉप्स इज कॉल्ड हार्वेस्टिंग। जब फसल क्या होता है, दैट मीन्स जो भी क्रॉप्स है मेरा वो पूरा का पूरा पक जाना यहाँ पे, दैट मीन्स कि वो कटने लायक हो जाना, दैट मीन्स इसको मैच्योर्ड बोलेंगे। दैट मीन्स दे कंप्लीटली, इसमें क्या होगा, अब सपोज करो जो भी ग्रेन्स है वो ग्रेन्स मेरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। दैट मीन्स फसल क्या हो जाएगा, मैच्योर हो जाएगा। दैट मीन्स कि उसमें जो ग्रेन्स है वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है। आफ्टर दैट वी विल कट द क्रॉप्स, एंड कलेक्ट द क्रॉप्स। दैट मीन्स द कटिंग एंड gathering of the matured food crops is called harvesting. Second point is that threshing, कि after harvesting the next process is threshing. The threshing is the process in which the grains can be removed from the harvested crops. That means कि threshing what? Threshing is a process in which the harvested crops, in which threshing is a process in which the grain can be removed from the harvested crops. So next is that, before that, what is sickle? What is sickle? This way, what is sickle? So sickle, that means as a equipment which is used to cut the crops. That means sickle is a cutting tool. We can say that sickle is a cutting tool. Sickle, that means अपने नॉर्मल भाषा में जिसको हम लोग कचिया बोलते हैं, that means कचिया, इसको हम लोग अपना एक नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में कचिया बोलते हैं, उसको हम इस लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलेंगे, सिक्कल। तो सिक्कल इज अ कटिंग टूल विच इज यूज टू कट द matured crops. What are the use of sickle? That means they can be used for cutting the crops, cut the crops. So sickle is a cutting tool which is used to cut the mature crops like wheat and rice. That means that kinds of crops can be cut. That kinds of crop can be cut manually with the help of sickle. Manually, that means they can also cut by the machine. That means thresher is a machine. Which is used to harvesting the crops. So this is the sickle. Second one is that threshing. So as you know that threshing is a process. Threshing is a process of beating. Threshing is a process of beating out or removed the grains from the harvested crops. That means जो फसलों की कटाई होने के बाद, threshing is the next step after the harvesting. That means after harvesting. तो थ्रेसिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ बीटिंग आउट द ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द हार्वेस्टेड प्लांट्स इज कॉल्ड थ्रेसिंग। तो थ्रेसिंग बहुत सारे तरीके से होता है। थ्रेसिंग जो प्रोसेस है कैन बी डन बाय डिफरेंट वेज इन एंशिएंट टाइम या फिर आफ्टर बिफोर 20 years या 30 years you can see that the farmers cut the crops and collect in a field or suppose on a neat and cattle suppose that, and in that case the group of cattle can be walked, can be moved on the crops regularly. During this process the grains can be removed from the plants. The grains can be removed from the plants, and after that we can separate the plants and grains. This is the traditional method. As you can see that, as you and seen that, या फिर have you seen that in your villages, in your near about areas, in your villages and in your near about areas, in local language it is known as in local language it is known as उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं उसको बेसिकली हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, चंगो देना नहीं, ऐसे नॉर्मल ऐसे बोलते हैं। या फिर तुम देखा होगा मैनुअली कि स्पेशली राइस और व्हीट्स के केस में क्या होता है कि नॉर्मली एज अ लेबर क्या करता है वो सिंपली ऑल द प्लांट्स कैन बी फिक्स्ड इन अ सिंपल, दैट मीन्स उसको क्या करते हैं हम लोग एक सिंपल सपोज को बंडल में बांधते हैं, और उसके बाद क्या करते हैं उसको हम लोग थ्रू द हैंड कैन बी स्ट्राइक ऑन अ वुड प्लेट। सपोज कैट कि एक वुड प्लेट हो या फिर आजा एक इक्विपमेंट हो जिसके थ्रू ऊपर क्या करते हैं उसको हैमरिंग करते हैं, सपोज लाइक दैट। क्या करते हैं उस क्रॉप्स का बंडल को बाय द हैंड दैट कैन बी इम्पैक्ट ऑन द, सपोज उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि एक लकड़ी का तख्ता होता है और या फिर जो ड्रम्स वगैरह है उसको यूज़ करते हैं, और क्या करते हैं उस बंडल ऑफ क्रॉप्स को क्या करते हैं थ्रू द हैंड उस पर पटकते हैं। पटकने पर क्या होता है जो ग्रेन्स है वो क्या होता है कि उस प्लांट से अपने आप सेपरेट हो जाता है और प्लांट्स को हम लोग सेपरेट कर देते हैं। तो दीज आर द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ थ्रेसिंग। हैव यू सीन दैट इन योर प्रीवियस टाइम? आई थिंक they are going on right now in the villager areas. These are the traditional method. Now we can use machinery like threshing, एंड हड़म्बा जिसको अपनी भाषा में बोलते हैं, इससे मेज वेट, इसमें क्या होता है कि फाइनली हम सारा का सारा प्रोसेस मशीन के थ्रू कर लेते हैं। नहीं तो कल्टीवेटेड क्रॉप्स, जो भी क्रॉप्स है मेरा हार्वेस्टेड क्रॉप्स है, उसको क्या करते हैं कलेक्ट करते हैं और उसको मशीन में डाल देते हैं, या फिर फील्ड पे ही थ्रेसिंग के थ्रू क्या करते हैं उसको हम लोग सेपरेट कर लेते हैं। तो दिस आर द मॉडर्न मेथड एंड दिस आर द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड बाय द कैटल, बाय द हैंड। नहीं, these are the process of threshing. Last कि chop, what is chop? तो we can say that कि the threshing is done to take out. Why we are threshing? Threshing is done to take out the grains from its outer covering called chop. That chop is the outer covering part of a grain. Chop is the outer covering part of the grain. I think it's enough for today. We will discuss our next topic in our next class. Winnowing and rest of the topics. I hope you will understand, and please write down all the markable points from the board. Thank you for watching this video.